morning to all my beloved, peace-loving people. I have shown you already my 1 million planted reforestation trees, ornamental trees, fruit trees, at my own initiative, without any support or any centavo from the government. Well, that is because I'm a dedicated environmentalist. Makatulong sa kalikasan. Also, if I were the President of the Philippines, well, that is only for the ideas and a little guidance. Kung magustuhan nila, salamat po. Kung hindi naman, salamat pa din. Baka lamang po makatulong. Just in case, what my intention is to help, that's all. To run, for those who are asking me to run, I'm very sorry. It is in my wildest dream. It's not possible. So that just the intention is to help to leapfrog the economy, a radical governance, and to be more tourist-oriented. And that as much as possible, of course, because like you love your country, you want to help, same only of mine, just even a little help. That's all. No string attached. And now, I have my talking birds. At least it will entertain you. My talking bird is Marty, and you will be surprised. He is one of the best in the world. You see that? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Marty. Good morning, Marty.
Morning, Mayor.
Please talk. People will look at you now. Entertain them.
Good morning, Mayor. Good morning. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year! Hurry up! Hurry up! Okay, Panchoy! Okay, Panchoy! Hello, hello, hello! Hello, how are you? Nandito na ako! Tao po! Wag! Meow, meow, meow! Kabaitin! Kumusta ka na? Pangit! Happy birthday to you! Ako si Marty.